Did your fishing rod break? Don't worry. You can fix this problem yourself. I'll show you how to do it easily. And I want you to know that none of the rods I've repaired have ever broken in the same place again. First, I cut off the broken end of the rod. As you can see, we need to reinforce this part. After trying out a suitable rod tip, I apply super glue to this area to both reinforce it and secure the rod tip in place. At this stage, you need to make sure the rod guides are aligned. I wait for it to dry for a while, then I'll apply trim bands to make the worn-out front part more durable. For this, you can use a strong, thin fishing line or string. Don't forget to save this video. You'll need it one day. During repairs, there may sometimes be minor sensitivity losses. This is usually subtle and unnoticeable. Besides, experiencing a small sensitivity loss is better than throwing away your favorite rod. And it gives you that wonderful feeling of satisfaction that comes from fixing things. If you liked the video, please don't forget to like and hype it. Thank you in advance. Congratulations! You've repaired your broken rod. Now that you're ready to go fishing, you can visit my playlist where I show you how to make the best fishing rigs on screen.